Hello and welcome to the vlog. I am always starting vlogs in our kitchen. I don't know why. But I also don't have my little tripod thing, so you're just sitting on top of the fridge. I just wanted to start the vlog because we have a few exciting things we're doing today, and it might be like a couple of days or a week put together with the vlog instead of the usual weekend vlog, which, by the way, hello, Happy New Year. Guess I haven't seen you guys since Christmas. Hope you had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. And yeah, we're just doing a couple of home projects. This next week I'm done editing weddings from 2020 and I don't have a 2021 wedding till the spring. So we're gonna be working on podcast stuff, home projects, building up my business, all that jazz. So this week is home projects and it's Sunday. We're about to go to church. So I just wanted to start the vlog, say hello, and yeah, come along on the journey. I feel like this is gonna bug me when I edit. We just picked up a Facebook Marketplace find that I plan to use as like JC and I's podcasting table / my desk. Anyways, this is it. Well, this is the bottom of it, which I plan to spray paint gold, and then this is the top. And I asked the guy on Marketplace, I was like, is this wood? But it is not. If you can tell, it's tile, but this part is wood. So what I'm thinking is, I'm gonna paint it all one color and then the textures just fine, but it was $20 and I didn't even know, but these chairs all came with it. So we plan to paint these black and use them as extras in our dining room. So that was a good find. And now we are heading to the hardware store to get some stuff we need for projects in the house, so we will take you guys along. Sorry, it's windy. Okay, so we're at Menards now, and what we're doing is we're getting some beadboard to accent our bedroom wall where our TV is. That horrid purple, you guys can't even hear me, purple, reddish, pinkish wall. We're finally covering that up. So we're doing it in an inexpensive, cool texture way. We're gonna get some beadboard. I'll show you. These, they're $20 a pop, and they're really big. 4x8, so 4 feet wide, 8 feet tall. And we thought they were 26 when we looked online, so this is way better than what we thought.
Not even on sale.
And then we're going to paint the wall black. So yeah, this is one of the things that we're getting here. Paint is the other thing, and something for our dryer, and MDF board for the cabinets. So anyways, yeah, that's what we're getting. Holy cow, that looks so big. Yeah, I didn't like the first one.
Find a good ones though.
Yeah.
Ship them in.
Which we are painting over them, so it's not a huge deal, but we just want to make sure we're getting our money's worth. But yeah, see, ideally, like, I would maybe want shiplap eventually. I really like beadboard though too. I love the look of beadboard. It's very coastal and like fun, but of course we're painting it black, so it's not so coastal then. So we ended up going with these boards for our cabinets because they're already cut to size, and that's gonna save us a lot of time. What are these called?
It's just 1/4 inch by 3 inch utility stock. It's just
so we got this in the trim section. So this will save us a lot of time, which then saves us money.
Yeah, that's right. Time.
Look what I just made. I don't recommend this paint. It's not very good. Well, this is what it's looking like. I mean, it looks good on camera, but there's definitely spots that are still black, or that dripped, or that my head hit against. So, yeah. Oh, it's working.
It is?
Yeah, what the heck?
What'd you do?
I detached this thing.
Oh,
weird. My camera just wasn't working and it freaked me out, but I figured it out. Hopefully it stays working.
Nice.
Hello. We interrupt today's vlog to share with you some cute pieces that I got from Pink Lily Boutique. So the first one is this top, and I will list all of the names of the items of clothing on the screen here because I do not remember them off the top of my head. But I got this fun sweater, and it's nice, it's lightweight, but still really cozy. It can be dressed up or dressed down, which is my favorite kind of pieces because I'm mostly a dresser downer. But occasionally I have to dress it up. So I love this. It's like that Chanel fabric or whatever. It's very soft. And I love the color too. It's a very good neutral. And I just paired it with these faux leather looking leggings that are from Aerie, American Eagle. They're from American Eagle. Yeah, I thought this was super cute and cozy, so I got that. My problem is I'm 5'11", so I probably should have sized up to medium. This is small, by the way, but it works, and I can just roll up the sleeves and gives it that kind of loungy, fun look. So on to the next. All right, and the next piece is probably one of my favorites. It's this crew neck hoodie that says always cold, and ask anyone, it's 100% true, right, Adam?
That's right.
I'm always cold, but this is great. I got it in a size large so that it would fit oversized like it does, and it's just super cute and cozy and good to wear with leggings, which is what I'm doing. I'm a little bit, oh, can't do that. So super cute, way comfy, and I really like it. So now to the next piece. Next is this top, which I love. It's so comfy, first off, and a great material to go from winter into spring and fall and all of that. But great for layering, and also just really stylish, but simple. And I have it tucked in, but if you pull it out, that's the size. I got this, I think I got this in a small. I'll write it on the screen if I'm wrong. These frayed edges, and then there's the details for you. Don't mind my white tank top. But it's just so comfy, and I just have it styled tucked in. Can't really do when I can't see myself. And then just with some jeans. So 2 thumbs up for this one. What do you guys think? I'm really bad at explaining clothes, but I love it. Like I love clothes, obviously. Okay, and next I have this sweater, which I think is so fun because it has like this waffle knit pattern to it, which I love it. So I have it in this color and this color. So I'll just switch that out there. And I love this color. I think it's so fun. The sleeves are nice and flowy. It's a good crop length. I probably would wear it with like skinny jeans, high-waisted skinny jeans, or black pants. It's definitely not long enough for leggings for me or anything, but I also like it with these jeans if you did a little tuckaroo. Let me see how I would do that. Maybe like this. Anyways, super cute. Love the details of it. And yes, that concludes this pink lily haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and now back to the vlog. I don't think I updated you guys, but this is my finished beaded garland, and this is how I styled it, just here on the entryway table. So still working on it. Don't love the layout of this completely, so we're still a work in progress, but we're getting there. I also don't think I showed you guys the finished table, so here it is. The legs ended up turning out okay. They look great, and this painted really well. It's actually the same color that's on the wall here, which, by the way, here's the arch all finished. And we have our podcast set up. Our mic's there, and we recorded our first one today. I'll throw a little snippet in from the video.
Okay, I have faith. We can do this in myself.
If anything was up, let's see. I don't really know how to figure that out. Okay.
I mean, I could recite every Taylor Swift song instead. But no. Yes. Cut. Good. Just see if that even sounds like, if it seems, maybe like if you say it fast enough, it doesn't seem too long. In case you like your voice better. Which is very happening. Could happen.
I will not like my voice better. Okay. We just welcome to, what did we just decide?
So I just said, welcome to the Midwest Bud Pot. That's what I said. Welcome to the Midwest Buzz Podcast.
But yeah, I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too. Alright, so I think that is going to conclude today's vlog. We are going to this weekend hopefully work on the kitchen and that beadboard project in our bedroom, so be sure to subscribe and follow along if you want to see that. And yeah, that's it. Anything to say, Blue? This is his new favorite spot. He loves looking out the window. Look how cute you are. You're so cute when you're being Nice. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to purchase any of those Pink Lily items or check out Pink Lily for yourself, it'll be linked in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. I don't know why I say it like that, but thanks for watching. Bye.